Today at Purdue Performance, we're going to be looking at installing our Funk Motorsport Turbo Blanket onto our TD04 XP Turbo. Now these blankets are available in 3 different finishes: the titanium, carbon fibre and inside out. They all fit exactly the same, so today we're going to use the titanium one. Although today we're doing this on a TD04 Turbo, this blanket is also suitable for the IHI and the Garrett Turbo that's found in the Abarth platform. So we're going to be using the titanium one today, which in the packet you'll get your titanium turbo blanket and 2 retaining springs used to secure the blanket in place. Obviously we're going to be doing this on a bench just to make it easy to show you, but the process will be exactly the same in the vehicle. These blankets have a cutout situated here, which is ideal for the actuator workings here. So the best thing to do is line that part up first on the turbo. That will then make sure the rest of the blanket sits in place. Obviously, as we haven't got a downpipe on the turbo at the moment, the blanket is going to overhang this side and we don't have the oil feed going to the turbo, but the blanket does clear that when installed on the vehicle. So as you can see, the blanket fits nicely around the actuator workings there, sits around the turbo to the other side. Obviously here's where it would mount to the manifold, but again the blanket clears that once installed. We can now put our retaining springs on. One here, one here. This one's installed like this. Obviously with the downpipe in place, this will open up a bit more and sit nicely around the downpipe, but because it's not on there, it's pulling tight in this area at the moment. And again, with this side. Now again, all we have to do is just attach the other side here. And again, this is pulling in tight over the flange here at the moment, but as you can see, there's a lot of give in that with the springs. So once the manifold's installed, this will sit perfectly around the turbo. Once it's in place, we do have a little bit of movement so we can make sure everything lines up nicely. We're clearing our actuator here perfectly, so it's going to have no interference. A tip when installing these on the vehicle: if you're finding it difficult to get to the springs, before you put them on, put a cable tie through one end, just loosely, and it will give you a little bit more leverage to pull it around and reach the anchor point. Also, on the Abarth 500, the bonnet catch and release sits very close to where this turbo blanket will sit. So when installing, just be careful not to catch it on the front area here. Apart from that, with the turbo being right at the front of the car, it's a very easy install and should only take you 5 to 10 minutes. For more Abarth content, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.